Hey guys, so I just finished grocery shopping. I went to 4 different supermarkets in 2 days, and I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. It's a pretty big haul. I'm excited. I love grocery shopping. So let me show you what I got. So first I went to Food Bazaar. I recently flew into JFK, so I was in New York, and I would love to get my meat and produce there. So I got ground beef, 2 packs of chicken breasts, pork chops, chicken thighs, and then I have to make sofrito. So this is cilantro, recao, garlic, peppers, and onions. And I made a video on how to make sofrito. I'll go ahead and put the link in the description box below. I also got this. This is the new Snapples. This is the strawberry pineapple lemonade. I'm excited to try that. I got some coconut muffins. Some things are already ducking into. Me and my husband have already started to eat. I got bananas there and plantains. So now to the second supermarket. I went to Market. Let's see, I got eggs, tuna. I found the new Simply watermelon juice. I'm so excited about this. Unlike the other Simplies, this doesn't have just watermelon. It has cherry juice in it. And let's see, sugar, lemon. Because if you've ever tried plain watermelon juice like agua de sandia, it's pretty plain tasting. So I'm not surprised they added other things to make it taste a little bit better. Just American cheese, plain yogurt, because my favorite yogurt is vanilla yogurt. But I am currently trying to teach myself more about different sweeteners and different products that come in packaged goods. So I'm trying to buy products with less ingredients. So I'm going to sweeten this with maple syrup and see if I like it. Now that doesn't mean I'm going to stop buying junk food or, you know, regular products that I always buy. I got whole wheat bread. This is for my baby and my husband because I don't like whole wheat bread. Milk. I got the oatmeal squares from Quaker, the brown sugar one. I can't wait to try these. I tried the corn ones and they were so good. Beans. If you can find these, get these, the low sodium ones. They have almost 50% less sodium. Like they have 135 grams per serving, and the regular ones have like I think like 350, around there, ballpark. So it has a lot less salt. I got this natural peanut butter, again on the quest to buy products with less ingredients. So it's just dry roasted peanuts, 1 ingredient. I hope I like it because peanut butter is something that I love. And be on the lookout for peanut butters that say all natural, but that they say no stir, because usually they have like some kind of oil, palm oil inside of it, and it won't be just peanuts. So now moving on to Aldi, one of my favorites. Aldi has like this cult following. It's so funny. I follow like Aldi accounts on Instagram. So I found these. These are cinnamon churros. They remind me of those things at Taco Bell. I've never tried them before from here. I've had them from Taco Bell. And surprisingly, it didn't have a lot of sugar. So I'm pretty excited about that. Pretzel chips and hummus. This is a regular for me. Always get this. I got this oats, honey, and coconut granola. I like it because, again, not a lot of sugar. 6 grams of sugar when compared to others. Granolas, they have about 14 grams per serving. This Asian chopped salad kit, I get this all the time. It just has cabbage, kale, carrots, and it comes with almonds, wonton strips, and a dressing. And I mix it with this iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce isn't really nutritious because it's mostly water. But I really like the taste. So I mix these two together and I add chicken on it. I got some tilapia. I got evaporated milk, corn, almond flour. Oh my gosh. I am so excited that they now carry almond flour. This is brand new to Aldi. I've never tried almond flour, but I'm excited to start making like flourless breads and things like that. Oh, so excited for this. Got some dried mango from my husband. Oatmeal because I eat this almost every single day. This is also a new product for me, avocado oil. It's supposed to be better for you than like canola oil, vegetable oil. So I bought it to try it. I'm gonna use it to saute and to like put in my vegetables, but I'm gonna continue to use canola to like deep fry because it's less expensive. And then when buying avocado oil, buy cold pressed or expeller pressed. That means like it was extracted at like low temperatures and there's more minerals, vitamins, something like that. I'm starting to learn about all this new stuff. So again, new product for me. I got butter, which I just started to buy real butter more often. I used to buy like the butter in the tub, which isn't actually butter, it's vegetable oil spread. Butter, if you look at the ingredients, where are they? Butter just contains cream. That's it. And then this one has salt because I wanted it to be salted. But that's it. One ingredient. Butter in tubs, like it's vegetable oil spread, and they have different ingredients in them. So I got this. Oh, and I got cream cheese. Now moving on to Walmart. Got some honey made graham crackers. I love to eat these with milk. Pastelillo disc, yum yum. And more muffins. I got corn muffins, wonton strips from my salad, romaine lettuce, canola oil to deep fry. What else? Oh, cauliflower rice. I buy this pretty often. I eat it with beans on top and meat. But I make the beans the way I always make them, and I put them on top, and it tastes so good. And this has an extreme difference when it comes to compared to rice. Only 4 carbs per serving, 85% fewer calories than rice. This is an extreme difference. If you cut out rice a couple times a week and replace it with this, you're gonna see major differences in probably weight if you're looking for that, or just like your sugar levels. A cucumber, potatoes, more bananas because we go through them pretty fast here. Bread, and then this dressing, which I've never tried, but I'm excited. It's called Old Dang Hummus, and it's roasted red pepper dressing. But what I'm excited about is the ingredients list is pretty great. Where is it? Okay. Chickpeas, water, salt, roasted red peppers, lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, which is good when you're buying dressings that they don't have canola oil, soybean oil, tahini, which is sesame seed puree, smoked paprika, spices, and garlic powder. So no added sugar, and it's really low in the sodium for dressing. So I'm really excited to try this again on that quest to buy better products, better like packaged goods. Now I just hope that it tastes good. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's all I got. Stay tuned to see what I make with this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.